How to resize an image with Photopea. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. I will show you step by step what you need to do to start resizing images within Photopea. This way you can just make it bigger, smaller, or even take, for example, the shape of the background. This way it's not leaving anything out and it's going to fill in the background. So we can actually do this. It's going to be very easy. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. So let's say for the sake of this tutorial, I have this background here and I just want to get a specific photo and I just want to make it bigger or maybe even fill the entire background with it. So let's just go ahead and add the image first. I'm just going to click on File, open in place, and I'm just going to, let's say I just would want to choose this one, this purple image here. I'm just going to go ahead and get it. So now that we have this image, what we can do is just well, obviously we can move it around and everything here, but if you actually want to resize it and make it bigger, what we can do is just go ahead and select transform controls on the top of our screen here. This is going to allow us to basically change the size of the image. So we can see now that we can actually see, we can drag this up and it's going to be bigger, and we can even drag it down and it's going to be bigger, and so on. Now, there's no difference if you just want to drag it. If you drag it from the left, from the right, it's just going to get bigger. But you can see we cannot really do much in terms of filling this background because this is a square image. So unless we really make it like way too big, and we would lose a lot of the content of the image. So instead, if you want to actually resize it and at the same time make it not lose much when it comes to the content of the image, I would suggest that you would want to just go ahead and hold the button Shift on your keyboard, and as you're holding Shift, you would want to just go ahead and drag it to the right or upwards or however it may be, and it's this way you're not really going to lose much. And you can see now that the aspect of the actual image has changed. If I can just go ahead and get another one, not just a solid color, let me just find from the gallery here. So let's just say this one, for example. So let's just use this one. So you can see if you just drag these without holding Shift, it's just going to change the entire size of the picture. But if we hold Shift, it's going to move as we want it to be. So if you move it to the right, it's going to go or stretch to the right. If you move it upwards, it's going to stretch upwards, and so on. So I just suggest that you align it to a specific corner, and then you would want to hold Shift, drag it down, and then again just hold Shift and drag it to the right, and just play with that. And this way you can just go ahead and change the sizes of the images within Photopea. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.